Swipe the screen from the left edge to the right, then tap Color. Drag the sample frame to the target position. Drag the direction icon at the lower left corner of the sample frame to resize. Swipe left and right to change the color gain. Tap the iTouch icon for automatic image optimization if you are unsatisfied with the manual adjustment. Tap the System Tools button, Setup, and Image for more parameters. Drag the scale level bar to adjust the color scale. Tap the video camera icon to save a cine in real time during scanning. After freezing, tap the play button or drag the progress bar to review the current cine. Tap the camera icon to save an image, then tap the video camera icon to save a cine. The operation will be the same in Power Doppler mode.